Bato-bato pick na. Kung sino man nanalo, siyang iinom. Okay? Okay?
Hindi ko alam.
Who win on bato-bato pick will win. Okay? Magbabato-bato pick kami guys. Tapos kung sino man nanalo, siya ang iinom ng Minute Maid. Okay? Oh, hindi mo muna
What you're gonna turn ba?
Ha?
What you're gonna turn?
What you're asking me?
What you're gonna do?
Don't ask me. Don't ask.
I don't know what you're gonna turn.
Sige, I'm gonna be scissor.
How about I'm gonna be the rock?
Okay. Bato-bato pick.
Talo si Kuya Clyden.
Don't ask kasi kuya.
Okay, another question.
Don't ask kasi just
It's so yummy.
Just choose kasi just I'm just gonna tell you something else though.
But,
Nagtampo na.
Nasira yung transition ni Pedro.
Ayun na makapagbati din. Dog tampo na. Tita will give you. Dali. Clyden muna will drink. Kalaro namin. Nagsumbong sa nanay. Apa na tayo magdala. Nagsumbong ay. Marunong na magtampo.
Ay, tampo-tampo na.
Ay, tampo-tampo. Nuno, tampo-tampo naman.